How to change Niagara theme. Long press on the empty space of your home screen. Scroll down. Tap on the option Niagara settings. Now tap on the option themes that you can see on the screen. If you want to make the customized theme, you can tap on the option create theme. You can also edit the current theme. If you already have the custom creations, tap on the option my themes. If you want to apply the ready-made themes, tap on the option ready-made themes. Now you'll be able to see various themes over here. What you have to do is simply find the theme that you would like to apply. Once you do that, tap on the option apply theme that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here the theme has been applied. Like this, you can change Niagara theme. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.